how to create Travelfika account and set up your travel profile setup step by step. So hey guys, so today's video I'll be teaching you how to create yourself an account here on Travelfika. So here at Travelfika, all we need to do is wait to sign in. Or we're gonna click on get started. Get started. Now we're just gonna put in right here, sign up. Yes, I don't have an account. Allow Travelfika. Ooh, here we have some few options right here. We can put flight. Ooh, we have one way round trip. So yeah, very nice. Here we're gonna click on our profile right there. So now we're gonna click on sign in. So we're gonna sign in right here. Then go back and click on sign up. Here we're gonna enter our first name and then email, and then we're gonna put in our password right here. So let's get started, guys. So we're gonna put in 63 because that's the Philippines. Put in our number right there. And there we go. Email. Last name. Name. And on the bottom, password. So we're gonna put in hashtag ABC 12345. Let's check. There we go. Then click on sign up. And there you go. Account created successfully in Travelfika. Travelfika. So there you go. Now we just have to log in with our email. There we go. After typing an email, we're gonna type in a password. The password is hashtag ABC. Hashtag ABC 12345. Then click on sign in. And then let's see, login successfully. Welcome to Travelfika. So there you guys, that's how I do it. That's how you create your account here on Travelfika. I hope you guys like the video. If you have a question, concerns, guys, happy to answer as soon as possible in here on Guide Glimpse.